We're trying the viral crack burger. This is the cheesy, ranchy, bacony, all-in-one patty. It's gonna be so delicious. I can't wait to test it out. Stick around, we'll get right into it. We're gonna start off by sizzling some bacon on this recipe because about a half cup's gonna be going into the patty mix and the other half is gonna be our topping. We set the Kamado Joe, Kamado Joe to about 350 degrees just to get this bacon going. And then here in a little bit, we'll begin to crank this up. Start doing the burgers. Time to flip. Use that stack. All right, well, while we're at it, we are gonna go ahead and toast our buns in some of that grease. I think it's gonna be nice. We got some brioche buns, one with some sesame and one without, just to kind of see what the texture ends up looking like. Just like that. Got some good toasted buns. Now that sizzling bacon is done, now it's time to make the fun part of the recipe. This is the patty ingredients. And this was made viral by the Walden brothers on YouTube. Put a link in the description so you can see the original recipe, but it's kind of gone viral on TikTok and all the platforms. So we're gonna see if the hype is all that. It sure looks like it's going to be. So we got chopped up bacon from that griddle we had there. Probably the star of the show is gonna be this ranch seasoning. I think that's gonna be really good. It's got sour cream, mild cheddar, shredded cheddar there, and then at this point you can add your own seasoning. If it's salt and pepper, I'm using my Dust Bowl. That I think will complement this recipe. This is what it looks like. And then you mix it with 1 pound of ground beef. This is ground chuck. And then we are going to mix all this together. I'm sure I'll get comments for that coming out. And then this is gonna get messy, okay? So we're gonna start putting all this together. And hopefully we're gonna be able to get 3 or 4 patties out of this. Definitely gonna get messy. We're gonna have to stand up for this guy. Let's make our burger sauce. This is gonna be 2 parts ketchup, 1 part mustard, 1 part mayo, about 2 tablespoons of my Dust Bowl, and then 1 tablespoon of some diced dill pickles. We're gonna mix this up just like this. And it's going to turn into a beautiful burger sauce for later on when we start putting this burger together. And it's that simple. Come on now. Now it's time to start searing these burgers. We're going to be doing this about 3 minutes on one side. Oh yeah. All right, team, so it's been about 3 minutes. It's time to flip. Let's see how we did. Nice. Now it's time to put on some cheese. All right, friends, the burger is done. Look at the cheesiness and the great crust that was formed on these burgers. I'm going to begin to build everything. We're going to start with doing the first layer of this burger sauce. And I think this is going to be really good. Hopefully this shines through. I'm going to get edge to edge goodness here. Then we're going to choose one of the patties. Ooh, I'm liking how this one looks. Oh yeah. And then I like to do another layer of that sauce. Then we're going to add some of those small pieces, bacon, and just to get it a little sticky, not a lot, a little top layer. And my friends, we have ourselves an amazing looking crack burger. The crack burger, let's give it a try. Look at that. Tenderness on the inside, nice crust on the outside. Okay. Well, I can see why that's addicting, and they call it the crack burger. With that mixture of cheese, that ranch seasoning, the sour cream, and all the ingredients, it keeps it nice and moist and crispy. Yet whenever you're using the griddle to get that nice crust on the outside, that is a delicious burger. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this crack burger, and if you'll give it a shot as well, and if you have a unique twist on what you might do differently. If you want to learn more about the Kamado Joe, specifically how to use the griddle, check out this fun recipe doing chili cheesecakes. They're delicious. I'll have a video right here to point you to check out. Again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.